Of course, hindi dapat mawala ang classic red and blue Spider-Man backpack. Ito na talaga ang pinaka-iconic Spider-Man color combination. Red and blue with web, automatic Spider-Man agad yan. Dito kinuha nila yung logo sa chest piece ni Spider-Man. Spider-Man's costume design has been changed many times. Naging black, naging white, naging silver, pero iba pa rin ang dating ng OG. At ayan, ito na ang ating bag. Wait, parang may mali. Wala yung web shooter natin ah. Spider-Man is known for combining his superpowers with his quick thinking and creativity. At syempre, may mga one-liner punchlines pa siya between punches. Which is pasok na pasok yung Spider-Man ni Andrew Garfield. Hopefully makita natin yung behavior niyang yun. Ito na ang ating bag. Yan, costume na costume niya to eh, no? Red and blue, Spider-Man logo. Walang web shooter. Papeng! Invisible web shooter. Sa Spider-Verse, there are many different versions of the character. Iba't iba din ang kanilang costume. Merong super black, gaya ni Spider-Noir, pero red and blue pa rin ako.